and I must say I love the quality of this brand. Yes! Hi everyone, it's Ali Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with a heart. And today we will be doing another spoilers for the Allure Beauty Box for the month of July. And I'm so excited because there's a lot of skincare and makeup in here as well. And just so you know, the Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box subscription for $23, and you usually get 5 products, and out of the 5, 3 are full-size products. Yes! So without further ado, let's begin. So the first product that you will get is the Ciara London Trend Edit Palette. And looks like the color tones here are bronzed. And it looks like it has 3 matte colors and 6 shimmery colors as well. I mean, I've received a Ciara London eyeshadow palette before from another beauty box subscription, and I must say I love the quality of this brand. Yes! So the next product is the Able Skincare Retexturizing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. I mean, at the end of the day, I think we can never have enough moisturizers. And the good thing about this moisturizer is that it has shea butter. It also has cottonseed oil that will keep your skin hydrated all day. And it also has niacinamide that also helps to calm redness on the skin as well. Yes, so looking forward for that moisturizer. So the third product is the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And this is another full-size product. I mean, I think a brow pencil is good for everyone, whether you wear makeup or not. Once you put on your brows, a little bit of blush and lips, you're good to go. And I actually love the Winky Lux product. So this is a very good deal that we actually have this in full size. Now, the next one is the Accure or Accure Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. And the good thing about this jelly mask is that it has vitamin C and ferulic acid. And as we all know, vitamin C is actually known to brighten the skin, right? So looks like this is like a deluxe sample. So the next product is the La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. And as we all know, in the drugstore category, La Roche-Posay is like the premium or like the supreme. I mean, and they really deliver good quality. And the good thing about this one is that it also has vitamin B5 that also hydrates the skin. So there you go. So those are the actual 5 products. So now let me actually tell you, depending on your profile, one of these 3 things that you might get as well. So the first one is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. I mean, the fact that this one says Tokyo, I mean, that actually just makes me excited because anything that's like Japanese, I feel like it's of high quality. So if you get that, looks like this is amazing as well. And it's also sulfate free. So the next one is the Crabtree and Evelyn Spiced Honey Bath Serum. And as we all know, Crabtree and Evelyn again is known for all of their body products and skincare products. So very excited for this if you get this. Or the third one is the Crabtree and Evelyn Rose Luscious Shower Milk. So I believe for anyone who wants to feel luxurious and feel hydrated, this is a good one for you. So those are basically the 3 choices, and you'll get one out of those 3 depending on your profile. And guess what? This is the most exciting thing. If you are a new member, you will get, guess what? A L'Oreal bundle. And it actually has a lot of great products in here. So the first one in here is that you're going to get the Lancome Idol Mascara. As we all know, Lancome actually is known for their mascaras. You will also get a Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I used to use this eye cream when I was in my 20s. I must say it's very hydrating. It's very good. It's good for every day if you want something that's rich and will moisturize the skin as well. And guess what? You're also going to get a Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro. I mean, as we all know, the makeup brand, especially in the high-end category, Giorgio Armani is one of the queen of queens. So for us to get this in here, if you are a new subscriber, is amazing. And guess what? You're also gonna get 2 fragrances. One is from Maison Margiela, and that was in Beach Walk, so I believe that actually smells like the beach. And the other one is Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium Fragrance. So you have one that's light for every day, and you have one that's rich for going out at night. I mean, that alone seals the deal, and you will also get the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And these are actually like one of the best eye pencils that I've tried in the industry. So if you get this, you're in for a treat. So what do you think of the Allure Beauty Box for the month of July? If you ask me, I actually think that there's actually a good combination of skincare and makeup. First and foremost, I'm very excited alone for the eyeshadow palette and the full-size moisturizer as well. So there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, hope that you can give it a thumbs up. And also if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my new episodes where I actually do an eye makeup tutorial while I actually discuss a specific topic, please consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle telling you, you are beautiful. Yes, you are. And you deserve all the best in the world because you really do. And I love you. See you again soon. Love you. Bye.